Do you want to make over your finances in 2023? Stay tuned to learn how the debt fix can help you. Hi, it's Katie from Financially Fit with Katie. I am a certified financial planner, and today I'm so excited to take you through the course outline for the debt fix and show you my save method so that you will know exactly what to expect if you enroll into my signature program, the debt fix. So starting off in module 1, we are at start. So this is where we're going to build your foundation. Think of this if you were building a house. You need to create that strong, solid foundation. Otherwise, you risk the house crumbling down. So we're going to go through your whys, your goals. You're going to start to understand your cash flow and start to create a working budget. From that, module 2, automate. We're going to go through the importance of an emergency fund and use information that you set up and found out in module 1 to come up with how much you need for your emergency fund based on your personal situation, and set up systematic saving strategies and learn debt payment strategies if you have existing debt. Module 3 is value. I'm going to go through the importance of having healthy credit habits. Go through credit card basics because you need to have credit cards in order to build credit. We're going to go through credit score basics, and I'm going to teach you how to read your credit report. So if you have a low credit score, you know the areas to focus on to build your numbers up. And then module 4, evaluate. This is such an important step that often gets overlooked. People create goals. They have resolutions, but they never actually track their progress to see if changes need to be made, places that they need to continue to focus on. We're going to look at planning for your future and the importance of setting up reminders. So if you are interested in signing up for the debt fix or would like a little bit more information, be sure to check out my website, financiallyfitwithkatie.com. From there, you can sign up for the program. Now, if you have any other questions, send me an email at info@financiallyfitwithkatie.com, and I can follow up and answer your specific questions. So let's make this the year that you become financially fit. Katie McDonald. I'm a certified financial planner. I am going to guide you through the debt fix and take you on a journey so that you can live a financially fit and confident life. Now, as we move into the debt fix, I am going to be teaching you the SAVE method. Now, SAVE stands for start, automate, value, and evaluate. Let me be your anchor to that financially fit life. And now let's jump in to the debt fix.